Hello! Welcome back to Kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, actually, wala talaga tayong lulutuin. Just kidding. But what we are making is salad. So, yung pinaka matututunan talaga natin is how to make your own garlic creamy dressing. Hindi ko siya tatawaging Caesar dressing because it's not authentic. Para lang hindi tayo ma-technical, no? So, I'm just gonna call it garlic creamy dressing. Ang important na kailangan is a blender. If you don't have a blender, what will you do? Gamitin nyo yung muscles nyo, tsaka wire whisk, no? So, talagang tuloy-tuloy siya. So, there's a way to do it also, no? But for today, we're just doing our handy, yung Immerflex natin na immersion blender. Bakit ko naisip gawin to? Kasi nga, may natira kami galunggong na tinapa. So, basically, i-shred ko siya, itatop natin siya sa salad mamaya. But the secret there is to make the creamy dressing. So, let's go! Very easy talaga. Kasi, magbe-blender tayo eh. The reason why hindi ko siya tinatawag na Caesar dressing, kasi in traditional, they use egg yolks. Egg yolks, they put some anchovies, they put lemon juice. Yun yung authentic, no? But again, as long as the taste is good, it works, diba? So, parang, I'm using, again, my shortcut. So, I'm just using mayonnaise, normally that you buy in the market. So, this is about 2 tablespoons. Yeah. Then, I'm just adding some garlic. So, the garlic, medyo natapon siya in paste. Now, the trick here is you'd like it to be very peppery. Let me use ground pepper. So, there. And then, this is white wine vinegar. But you can use cider vinegar, distilled vinegar. If you are to use cider vinegar or distilled vinegar, I highly suggest you add a little bit more of salt. Kasi parang mas maasim siya. No? So this one is milder. 90 pesos ata to or 89 pesos. This one. So, kanina we added about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. So I'm just adding here 3. Here. I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar. Just a little bit. Dagdagan pa natin ang garlic. Okay. This is canola oil. Why do I have Parmesan cheese on standby? If you remember our pasta demo, sabi natin, diba, it's to absorb oil or to add texture. So later on, we might need it. Baka may sumobra yung oil or we need more texture. Kaya nandiyan yung standby ang ating Parmesan cheese. So I'm not gonna put the oil first. Aanhin muna natin to make sure. Let me just add a little bit more. 4 na yan, ano? Hindi ako good in measurement eh. Inaano ko lang sa texture. So, it's so hard. May isa nga humingi sa akin ng recipe ng vongole. So, parang ang hirap mag-backtrack. Kasi nga normally, you just cook it. So, if you don't have the immersion blender, I will put this in a mixing bowl. You put a cloth, put the bowl, para walang tumutulong sa'yo. When you mix, hindi siya aalog-alog. Kasi without this, aalog-alog siya. Here, you wanna put a cloth under so it won't keep on moving. And then you mix it. And then, as you mix it kasi, later on, you're gonna start pouring the oil. Parang tinatawag nila emulsifying. Ibig sabihin yun yung nag-add ng texture, yung parang dinadagdagan yung volume ng dish. So, that's how you do it if you're gonna do it manually. May bacon na kasi magluluto tayo mamaya ng carbonara. So, for demonstration purposes. But since, thank God, meron tayong Immerflex na 5 years na, hindi pa siya nag-give up sa atin, we will do this. If nakikita mo, medyo rough pa siya. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-smooth kasi kinakrush pa niya or pinapurify pa niya yung garlic. Now, I'm gonna start adding the oil to emulsify. Makikita mo, medyo nagsisticken siya, becoming heavier because of the oil. In fact, if you keep on adding oil and oil and oil and emulsify it, it might even have the texture of mayonnaise again. Kaya be careful. Okay, how will you know kung tama na yung oil besides texture? You can taste it. Because right now, di ba, we added meron tayong suka, tapos meron tayong mayonnaise. So, dapat medyo hindi na siya maasit. hindi ka na nagaganon, malamang wala nang asim yun. So, yun yung hint natin na well-balanced na yun, yung dressing. So, there. Meron pa siyang konting hint, no? I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. So, I'm just gonna add like a tablespoon of water. There. And it's almost there. Gonna add a little bit more of oil. There you go. So, as you can see, we didn't really need Parmesan cheese, diba? To thicken it. It's just right. So, I'm not sure. That's how you would want it, no? Easily naman, pwede ka bumili ng bottled, pero mas masarap lang talaga yung lasa ng fresh, no? So, we'll assemble it. Yung tinapa, ihihimayin lang natin, diba? Kasi nga, hindi kinain, no? So, sayang. So, this is galunggong tinapa. Sayang, sarap. Gagamitin natin pang salad. I'm just gonna add it here para ma-mix natin later on. Kasi, i-mix ko dito yung salad. Ready na yung dinner. So, imagine we have tinapa with creamy garlic dressing. Tapos, we'll serve kanina yung chicken Florentine. Then, the carbonara. So, here. So, just there. Very easy, diba? Yung dressing, kunyari, may matira, pwede nyo naman i-ref eh. Tapos the next day, you can serve it again as salad, no? Or, kunyari, may tirang chicken, i-mix mo siya with chicken, yun yung chicken sandwich mo. You can just do that also. Ang dami niyang uses. Ayaw natin ito masyadong bitter to itong part na ito. So, you don't want to include that part. So, where I'm mixing it, this is where I'm gonna serve it na. Hindi sayang sa hugas, diba? We mix our dressing. So, slowly, because ayaw mo naman sobrang nagdidressing. So, this is romaine lettuce. Kung wala, you can use iceberg. The only reason I like using romaine or iceberg kasi parang matagal siya malantag. Like, I'm making the salad way advanced for dinner time. Pagdating ng guest, hindi pa siya parang lantag kasi nga crispy siya. Diba, normally, yung ibang lettuce, ina-absorb niya yung sauce and biglang lalanta na siya. So, there you go. So, I don't know if you can see the tinapa. And then I add this. And it's very colorful and well coated. So, again, di tayo nag-waste ng ingredients, diba? Very simple ingredients na nakikita mo lang sa house. You can make a beautiful dressing. There you go. Yun na lang siya ka-simple. It's actually galunggong tinapa on lettuce with creamy garlic dressing. Kasi ayoko siya i-claim Caesar. Kasi hindi naman siya totoong Caesar. Just a little bit of tip. Kanina, I used white wine vinegar. If gagamitin niyo yung recipe, ano ba yung pwedeng substitutes? You can use cider vinegar, you can use lemon. I never tried using calamansi or calamansi concentrate, but pwede kayo mag-squeeze ng calamansi tapos you can try to use 2 tablespoons worth or 3 tablespoons worth. I feeling ko it might be good kasi parang merong special flavor yung calamansi natin, di ba? May konti siyang subtle na sweetness. So it might turn out good also, no? So, but for this recipe, we just use white wine vinegar, just regular mayonnaise, and we didn't even add Parmesan cheese, no? So, this is gonna be part of our dinner. Tapos, kung anong matira mong tinapa, pwedeng-pwede. Kung walang tinapa, bacon. Kung walang bacon, sausage. Pwede yung tirang luncheon meat na ipa-fry lang. Anything na medyo salty. Pwede rin yung bottled tuyo. So, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's healthy, it's very quick, masarap, and mabilis gawin. So, again, this is our galunggong tinapa on salad with creamy garlic dressing.